Hi, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. Last year we were in Sydney, Australia, staying in a beautiful Airbnb. And one of the things that was in that Airbnb was this beautiful toaster. And we didn't take that toaster home. We came home and actually bought one because we loved it so much. It's called the Breville Die-Cast 2-Slice Smart Toaster. And every single day, my husband Keith would say, when we get home, we're getting one of these. So it was the first thing I had to do when we got home was actually find one. And I just want to show you how it works because it's quite a nice toaster. I really like Breville products. I like the details that have gone into their design. I love that someone has taken the time to think through the way people actually eat and cook. The mechanism that lowers the bread into the toaster is actually motorized. So there's no clunking, there's no loud pop-ups with this toaster. It's just smooth lowering and raising of the toast. It also has a lift and look feature that I'm going to show you in a second that brings the toast up so you can check it, and it won't pause the toasting cycle, but it gives you a full view of the progress of the toasting. Here it is. This toaster also has some other cool buttons. A bit more button does just that. It adds a bit more toasting time. The frozen button adds additional time required to defrost and then toast frozen bread. For the bagel setting, you put your bagel into the slots with the insides of the bagel facing inwards. The bagel feature activates additional heat to the middle elements to perfectly toast the insides of your cut bagel without burning the outside. That's crazy. This toaster is called the Breville Die-Cast 2-Slice Smart Toaster. The die-cast means that the shell is all one piece. There are no harsh edges. It's all smooth and sleek with a stainless brushed finish. The slots are extra wide for artesian breads and bagels and even pastries. If for some reason you need to find the model number, you'll find it on the bottom. You'll also find the batch number, which is on the top right-hand corner, 1850 on this unit. On the bottom, you'll also find that you can store the cord by winding it around the base. They really have thought of everything. Tucked in underneath, you'll find this handy little removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. I also really love the Breville Assist plug on all their products. The hole makes it so easy to pull out, especially if you have arthritis. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. Please remember to hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos.